Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate how to power on the device and get it ready for flight. You always want to make sure that the battery is well secured before you begin. Make sure nothing is loose or hanging off. Make sure all of your props are correct. Um, make sure none of them are damaged. You see there's the drone. The first thing you always want to do when you start powering it up is turn on the controller. In order for it to actually be on, in order for the drone to actually see it being on, you can't be in a menu like that or in a warning. It needs to be back out to this screen. The next thing you'll want to do is to power on the display. Switch on the back here. There. So now the display and the controller are both on. You power on the drone. In order to do that, you're going to take the connector off of the battery and plug it into the connector that goes to the main board of the drone. And you'll hear that beep there. That comes from the ESCs, and that indicates that all of them are on. Each one will have a green light on it. You should have a red blinking light on the OSD there. There should be a red light on the transmitter, which is on the other side. And that should indicate that everything is functioning correctly. You can see the light there on the bottom, maybe. Right now it should be indicating the GPS signal, which, since there are no lights, means that it's good. There's full explanation for all of the lights and their meaning inside of the manual. You can see here's our image on the display. Now that OSD will try to acquire satellites. That's how it'll actually determine its position. If you are launching it and going to go a long distance with it, you do need to make sure that this is done prior to you taking off. I am going to go ahead and start it up though. In order to do that, you're going to take both sticks and move them to the bottom left hand corner. And now it's on. And you can control your throttle and everything else. A little bit difficult to do one-handed, but that is the process of powering up the drone. When you turn it off, the first thing you always want to do is come down here and disconnect this. Just like that. The remote will remark that it does not have telemetry anymore. At this point, you can go ahead and turn off the display and the remote. And that's it.